even know why I wanted to blend. I guess it was just easier at the time. I created a new persona, because why not?
Last thing I said wasn't my truth. You misread, I know my heart. You were right, leaving us behind. Don't stay for me or for what you were taught. I know my fears have weighed in your head. I know my ears have been misled. You cut me off, and I'll never forget. I'm feeling tired, I'm feeling tired. And no need to show you one, don't you know I'm proud of you, son. I'm sorry you think that the damage is done. That last thing I said wasn't about you. I've got my own past, I own my scars. Who was I to tell you who you are? Take your space to dream on.